Good day! This is our presentation to Industrial Security Concepts or DIANE. Before we start, let me introduce my co-members, Mr. Padilla, Ms. ABEJUELA, Ms. Adricula, Mr. ELLERA, and Mr. ARCHE. Our miniature was inspired to Camp General Makarisakay, a place we conduct our 14 days training. We did not include all the parts of the camp because it is a military base. We did some changes, therefore, we can be able to show the industrial security concepts that we needed.
Today, ma'am, before I proceed in our miniature, I am going to define the meaning of security and why we need security in every structure. In the word security, it has the word secure, which came from Latin, which means safe or without care. Security is a protection against any harm, danger, criminals, and loss. With security in our houses or any establishment, we are free from any trouble, fear, injuries, and anxiety.
In our miniature, the material we use are the following: plywood with a length of 20 and width of 18, cardboard, chicken wire for our chain link, paint, primary color, clay, scotch brite, stick glue, clear folder for the window in our tower house, balloon, cutter, paper sticker, popsicle stick, where we use this to make concertina. And protective light, we use to movable light and stationary light. Since it was a military base, movable light was the most recommended to use. Stationary light for the vicinity to make it more easier for military person in the camp to see surrounding. This light that we use worked from the part of lighter, and the other light was a fairy light.
Now, let's proceed to our miniature and explain its different defenses or barriers. For the first line of defense, we have chain link, solid fence, guard up the gate, and concertina wire fences. In the second line of defense, we have walls, doors, windows, and roofs. The third line of defense was the vault, which is protecting the arms and other important files or documents. We call it armory. In our protective lights, as Mr. ELLERA said, we have the stationary and movable lights. As the barriers, we have the energy barriers, the lights, and additional protective barriers like guard control station that may see in the entrance, the tower guard, and some signs and notice that place in front and at the back of miniature. We also had animal barrier, usually trained dogs inside the military base.
Like what Ms. ABEJUELA said in our perimeter defenses, we have solid fences such as the bricks and concrete as we use on the walls of the whole perimeter. Full view fences such as the chain link and the concertina wire fences. In the second line of defense of the perimeter barrier, we use the roofs, exterior walls, floors, interior walls, doorways, windows, and we also use sign and notices, and also the movable lights that can be seen in the tower guard. And for the information of all levels of physical security of our miniature is maximum security.
Speaking of maximum security, we use this level of security to our miniature because it was inspired by the camp, or as simple as we call military base. This is a system where the design is detect, assess and neutralize all the unauthorized external and internal activities. We apply maximum security to our miniature as we follow the general rules of it. As you can see, our miniature has more layers, more efficient, and by that, it was difficult to defeat the system. In conclusion, we've made this miniature with effort, dedication, and passion as we look for every details. And also, we just tour you around to the camp where it all started.
Wala.
Making this activity was a roller coaster experience. Why? We don't stop when we're tired, we only stop when it's done. On the first day of building our miniature, we did a video call meeting. We planned the framework so that we can manage the time we had. We've made the miniature for 3 days, and on the third day, we've recorded and do the editing since it was a video presentation. It is not the money we spent to the materials, but the quality time, the bond, and the memories we had while building the miniature. I guess we applied the camaraderie that we've experienced for the past 14 days in the camp. And we are glad that we've made it hand to hand. All the hard works, sweat, tears, and memories inside the camp, all of those moments was popping out to our mind and started to reminisce it all. While starting to build those guard houses, the barracks, and the tower guard.
In our tower house.
If you are asking what is the hard part on making the miniature, it was the video recording. Because we almost had more than 3 or 4 cuts to make the final video. Although it was tiring to start again and again, we just enjoyed the moment, realizing that it will just become a memory sooner. And also, our inner child was happy to build a place where we just dreamed before. Salute to all the members of the group. We did not just make good, but a great job for everyone. Strive more future leaders of our generation. Thank you as well to our great instructor, Ma'am Rosalyn Ferreras, for the opportunity to work on this kind of activity. Salute to you, Ma'am. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a great day ahead. Snap!